House of Representatives speakers in Nigeria from 1959 till date. Pay attention, you will learn something. From 1959 to 1960, the Speaker of House of Representatives was Jaja Nwachukwu. From 1960 to 1966, the Speaker of House of Representatives was Ibrahim Jallo Waziri. From 1979 to 1983, the Speaker of House of Representatives was Edwin Umezuoke. From October 1983 to December 1983, the Speaker of House of Representatives was Benjamin Chaha. All right. Between December 1992 to November 1993, the Speaker of House of Representatives in Nigeria was Agunwa Anekwe. Between June 1999 to July 1999, the Speaker of House of Representatives was Salusi Buhari. Between July 1999 to June 2003, the Speaker of House of Representatives was Gali Omar Naba. Between June 2003 to June 2007, the Speaker of House of Representatives was Aminu Bello Masare. Between June 2007 to October 2007, the Speaker of House of Representatives was Patricia Ete. Between November 2007 to June 2011, the Speaker of House of Representatives was Oladimeji Bankole. Between June 2011 to May 2015, the Speaker of House of Representatives was Aminu Tambuwal. Between June 2015 to June 2019, the Speaker of House of Representatives was Yakubu Dogora. Between June 2019 to June 2023, the Speaker of House of Representatives was Femi Gbajabiamila. Between June 2023 till date, the Speaker of House of Representatives is and remains Tanjuddin Abbas. All right, these are Speakers of House of Representatives from 1959 till date. If you have learned anything from this video, share it and follow for more. Nigerian Senate President from 1960 till date. Between January 1 to October 1, 1960, the Senate President was Nnamdi Azikiwe. Between October 1, 1960 to October 1, 1963, the Senate President was Dennis Osadebe. Between October 1, 1963 to January 15, 1966, the Senate President was Nwafo Orizu. Between October 1, 1979 to December 31st, 1983, the Senate President was Joseph Wayas. Between December 5th, 1992 to November 1993, the Senate President was Iyorchia Ayu. Between November 1993 to 18th November 1993, the Senate President was Ame Ebute. Between 3rd June 1999 to 18th November 1999, the Senate President was Evans Enwenen. Between 18th November 1999 to August 8th, 2000, the Senate President was Chuba Okadibo. Between 8th August 2000 to 3rd June 2003, the Senate President was Anyim Pius Anyim. Between 3rd June 2003 to April the 5th, 2005, the Senate President was Adolphus Nwabara. Between April 5th, 2005 to June 5th, 2007, the Senate President was Ken Nnamani. Between 5th June 2007 to 6th June 2015, the Senate President was David Mark. Between 9th June 2015 to 9th June 2019, the Senate President was Bukola Saraki. Between 11th June 2019 to 11th June 2023, the Senate President was Ahmed Lawal. Between 13th June 2023 till date, the Senate President is Godswill Akpabio. If you have learned anything from this video, share it and follow for more.